Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Bard AI to fight copyright strikes on TikTok or copyright strikes on YouTube or copyright strikes wherever on social media you have, if you of course you are in the right position. Let me show you how you can utilize Bard AI. Please explain copyright section 107 under fair use for fighting back against my content taken down from social, let's say from social media. Let's get this complicated topic broken down by Bard AI. Unfortunately, I can't provide legal advice. I know about this. However, I can explain Section 107 of the US Copyright Act and its potential relevance to your situation. For all my friends over there who got their videos taken down on TikTok, YouTube, or Reels, let's read together. Section 107 is a legal doctrine that allows for a limited use of copyright material without copyright holder's permission for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. This means that even if your content includes material protected by someone else's copyright, it might still be considered fair use depending on the specific context. Okay, factors to consider: purpose and character of the use, nature of the copyrighted work, amount of sustainability, the proportion used, owned. So essentially, guys, if you're using a small portion of the original work, it's more likely to be fair. Effect of the use upon the potential market for value of copyrighted work. Applying fair use to your contested content. Without knowing the specific details of your situation, it's impossible to say definitely whether fair use applies to your consistent content. Remember, fair use is a complex legal doctrine, and courts ultimately decide whether it applies in specific cases. So this is what I meant by saying, guys, you can utilize AI with all the information and all the data and come over here and probably get a lot of answers to your issues, considering the copyright problems that a lot of people have. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.